Welcome back to English Power Hour. Hi, my name is Shelley, and today we're going to learn about the idiom called "You beat me to the punch." So let's get right to it. So in this short video, I will teach you how to use the idiom "You beat me to the punch" so that you can use it easily and fluently. You beat me to the punch means to say or to do something first before someone else says it or before someone else does it. The phrase was first thought to have originated from the sport of boxing, as if in striking the first punch. Examples of the idiom "you beat me to the punch" are, for example, I was going to suggest that idea to my boss, but unfortunately, one of my colleagues beat me to the punch. Or, Frida has already beaten you to the punch. She offered to help me move apartments. Or, you beat me to the punch. I was going to ask you the same question concerning the travel restrictions to America. Okay, my wonderful students, can you beat me to the punch? And comment below. Also, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I really do appreciate it. Have a great day. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Mwah.